Today we learn how to solve examples of practice set 1.4 using substitution method. So first example, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Question number first, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Equation number 2. Now here we will do the substitution for 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So put 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So given equations will transform to 1 upon x is equal to a. So it will become 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. This is first equation. And 8 upon x means it will become 8a. 1 upon x is a plus 1 upon y is b. 5b is equal to 77. Equation number second. Now, these two equations we have to solve simultaneously. Now, if you see the b, second term minus 3b, and the second equation it is plus 5. So we'll make this coefficients of b same. So multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. So multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation second by 3. So the given equation will transform to 5 2s are 10a. 5 2s are 10a. Then 5 into 3b minus 5 3s are 15b is equal to 15 5s are 75. This will be your equation number third. Similarly, multiply the second equation by 3. So each term you have to multiply here. 3 8s are 24a plus 3 5s are 15b is equal to 3 into 77s. That is 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. Again 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23. That is 2 31. This is the equation number 4. Now you see the second term of both the equation plus minus 15b and plus 15b. So if you add this equation, plus 15 and minus 15 will get cancelled. Adding equation 3 plus equation 4. Add equation 3 and 4. So what you will get here? 10a plus 24a is equal to 34a plus 15 minus 15 will get cancelled is equal to 75 plus 2 31. That is 6 5 plus 1 6 7 plus 10 1 carry 306. Therefore a will be equal to, here it is 34 into a, so 34 will jump, it will get divided on right hand side of the equal to sign, divided by 34. So 34 a is equal to, divide 306 upon 34. So 006 upon 34, 1s are 34 and 34 is a 306. So a is equal to 9. Now put a is equal to 9 in equation first. In the first equation, so at the place of a we'll put 9 2 into 9 minus 3b, 2 into 9 minus 3b is equal to 15. 9 2s are 18 minus 3b is equal to 15. Therefore, minus 3b is equal to 15 minus 18. Therefore, minus 3b is equal to 15 minus 18. So difference, when there is a minus sign, then there is a difference. Difference is 3. Sign of a greater number is minus. Both side minus, so it will get cancelled. So minus 3b is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3 upon 3. That is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to 1. Now, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1. You have to, again, you have to resubstitute it. Resubstitute the value of a and b. 1 upon x is equal to a. Therefore, 1 upon x is equal to a. Therefore, 1 upon x. What is value of a? 9. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 9. And 1 upon y is equal to d. That is 1 upon y is equal to 1. And hence y is equal to reciprocal of 1 upon y is 1. Hence the solution set is x comma y, which is x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. Practice set 1.4, fourth example. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. And second equation is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 8. Equation number second. So put 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. So the given equation will transform to 1 upon 3x plus y is a. So a plus 1 upon 3x minus y is b is equal to 3 upon 4. Now multiply this equation by 4. So 4 into a plus 4 into b is equal to 3 upon 4 into 4. Multiply equation by 4. So the equation you will get here, 4 will get cancelled. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Equation number 1. Similarly, in equation 2, substitute 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a. So a upon 2 plus minus, so middle term is negative, so minus b upon 2. B is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 8. Here multiply equation by 8. Multiplying each and every term by 8. 8 into a upon 2 minus 8 into b upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 into 8. So here multiply equation by 8. So you will get 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. Here also 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. 8 will get 8 1s are 8 1s are. So 4a minus 4b is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now take equation 1 and equation 2 together. So equation 1 is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Equation number 1. And 4a minus 4b is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now with second term b plus 4 minus 4, so it will get cancelled. So adding equation, add equation 1 plus equation second. So 4a plus 4a, that is 8a. 4b minus 4b will get cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, a, here 8 into a. So a will be equal to, this 8 will jump here, it will get divided. 4 upon 8. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 twos are, a is equal to 1 upon 2. Put a equal to 1 upon 2 in equation first. In equation first, so 4 into 1 upon 2 plus 4b is equal to 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So 2 plus 4b is equal to 3. Therefore, 4b is equal to 3 minus 2. So 4b is equal to 1, and hence b will be equal to 1 upon 4. So a is equal to 1 upon 2 and b is equal to 1 upon 4. These two values will resubstitute in the whatever substitution we have taken. At 1 upon x, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Now resubstitute 1 upon 3x plus y equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to b. Therefore, 1 upon 3x plus y, a is equal to 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 3x minus y, b is equal to 1 upon 4. So now here cross multiply. Therefore, 1 into 2 is 2 is equal to 3x plus y into 1 is 3x plus y, and 4 into 1 4 is equal to 1 into 3x minus y is 3x minus y. So you get new two equations. 3x plus y is equal to 2, equation number 3rd, and 3x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 4. Again, we will solve this two equations simultaneously and we will get the value of x and y. So add here both plus y minus y, so we can add the equation. Add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. So we will get 3x plus 3x, 6x. Plus y minus y cancel. 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 6, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Now put this value of x, put x is equal to 1 in equation 3rd. Equation 1 and 2 are in variable a and b, but equation 3 and 4 are in x and y. So put here in equation 3rd. So we will get 3, x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. 3 plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus 3. So y is equal to minus 1. Hence solution set is equal to x comma y, that is equal to 1 comma minus 1. So write down this example in the notebook.